3, 2, 1, go. Down. Alrighty guys, probably our best snowfall all year. We wanted to try this last year, but we didn't get a chance to. This is gonna be what we call sled roulette. We got a spin the wheel there, and we have 3 of our not terrible sleds, but not anywhere close to trail riders. So we have 440 liquid, 440 sport, and I think we have Andy's Tom. Andy Tom is what we call it. And that's the 2-up. The sport 340 is not in this.
Who wants to get the first wheel?
So what we're gonna do is we got me, Spark, and Caleb. We're gonna all hop on one of these suckers, and we're gonna race them in the field for 2 laps. I think we're doing 2 laps. All right, we'll do 3 laps. So I'm gonna have the GoPro on me. Hopefully I'm in the back so you guys can see the other 2. Maybe I'll be in front, I don't know. We got the wheel here. I think Mark should go first.
Mark's going first, all right.
Oh, 440 sport, dude, he gets.
The one you just rolled in on.
Oh, he's gonna spank us, dude.
All right.
All
Mike,
right.
you want next?
I'll go next.
440 liquid.
So you get Tom,
Sorry,
dude.
Tom,
You're probably the best with the Tom, honestly.
All right.
So I got my sled.
I got the bogger.
I have a half. So we'll go through quick the handicaps with each one of them. The handicap on the 2-up Tom is it has a terrible bog. Worst bog you've had, dude, since the 90s.
You'll see it off the line.
It has
Can't
piston.
see, honestly.
Piston slap. I heard it slapping. It's got 10K miles. It does
Carbides
have.
aren't the greatest.
It does have a non-studded track, carbides. The seat also does move around a lot. And there is tools, so you can fix it in case you break down.
Yeah.
So the Tom's toy is not ideal, but it does rev out good. Like I said, the sport, we might take care of that tomorrow. The 440 liquid has an atrocious seat. It has the factory half-broken throttle lever.
Brand new bides.
And combined with like semi-stiff steering. And no rear suspension, none. Then we have the sport, who has no rear suspension. See, it's completely bagged right out. But, and no headlight. Does have half-ass decent carbides, and it does rev out and run.
It runs pretty. It's probably the best runner.
Probably the best runner out of the 3. So Mark's got a pretty good chance to take victory, but if we snipe him, he'll be fine. We'll just snipe him at first
You
turn.
start in the middle.
Nice. If we can clothesline him. The track's gonna be outlined. It's around the property here. With the GoPro on, you guys will be able to see me riding.
The boot.
But we're gonna do 3 laps. Apparently, if we can make 3 laps without a problem, hopefully. But yeah, it should be a good time. What are your predictions? How are you gonna finish in the race?
I'm gonna fog up.
You're gonna fog up?
Oh, yeah.
That could happen. Motorcycle helmet?
Yep.
You might bog out.
I might bog up.
Dude, you're fogging already.
I know.
What are your predictions, buddy? How are you gonna place?
Bogging and bogging, I'm gonna take first. No, I don't know. Someone's
I
gonna
think
wipe
Tom's
out.
getting it. I think Tom's taking it.
Nah.
I just know that I hope I don't hit my
liquid.
kill switch like I did last time.
Liquid.
I feel like Tom, if he doesn't get the whole shot, he's done. He's done.
So it's not gonna get the whole shot.
All right, guys, day 2 of sled roulette. We have a couple returning sleds from yesterday. One new face, that Indy Trail in the middle. That thing's been with us for a couple years. We finally put some skis on it that can make you steer because it had nothing.
Also known as Brown Tom.
Right, Brown Tom.
Yeah.
And we have our old faithful Boggy Tom, and then the Sport that doesn't bog but has no suspension and no traction. So we got the wheel pulled up on Caleb's phone here. We're gonna do the old spin the wheel and see who gets what sled, and we'll do 2 or 3 laps, and that'll be it.
Who wants first pick?
I think we're gonna go with.
Who didn't get a first pick yet?
Mike.
Yep.
Oh, all right.
Mike's got, the only change, guys,
Yeah, we'll see.
is 440 liquid. 440 liquid is gonna be Brown Tom.
Brown Tom, right? Oh. 440 Sport, dude. Okay.
You want next or you want last?
I'll take last pick.
All right, for me.
This is
Swear
Mark.
to God. What?
Oh, so you gotta spin it again.
I swear to God, if you give me Andy Tom. Oh, so I got Brown Tom. I got 440. You got Bog Tom.
Oh my God. I am doomed.
You're screwed. We do a rolling start, so that thing's got at least.
Yeah,
a
the
fair
handicap
shot.
on that is so bad that it really should be.
No, we should always do a rolling start.
Mark should, or at least
give him a rolling
or
start.
at least
from back
handicap 20 feet ahead with that one.
there. Yeah, give him a 20-foot head start or 15-foot.
At least.
At
You
the
guys
first
will
turn?
still smoke me to the corner. I don't stop bogging until I get there, and then I start bogging again.
I'm telling you, rule of advice: keep blipping it while you're hitting the brakes.
Yeah, I took it for a little ride just to kind of get the bog out of it.
Yeah,
like
right.
Bogging.
Right. All right, what do you think, sir? Who do you think is going to take first place?
Caleb.
Caleb. So that's going to be Brown Tom. Brown Tom. And who do you think is going to come in last?
My dad.
Oh, Mark's coming in last, dude. I honestly, I agree with your
Not a bad
predictions.
bet.
Yeah, it's pretty. If I was a bet man, I think you're right on the money.
Yeah.
So, I think I'm gonna finish second too because I feel like possibly
You might have some
I
traction,
might
though.
lose traction.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Down. 3, 2, 1, go. Down.
We're here with our first place finisher here. What do you think about A, Tom's toy, and B, your driving and the track?
The bog is real if you let off, so just don't let off. And you can stick your feet up in there in the corners. You wedge your feet in there.
Oh, yeah, you hook it
just
like
no
this.
mistakes. If I'd have spun out once, I mean, anybody spins out
Because
once.
I literally could touch his rear grab bar.
Oh yeah, me and you were battling, especially
right
back
on
in
him.
that straightaway. I'm like in the tree.
Yeah. I got my feet stuck in the heel guards, though. I got scared one time because I couldn't get it out.
You gotta be careful because there's a bunch of logs laid out down there too. So if you go too deep in there, you will
So
smoke a log.
overall, I mean, Mark drove pretty flawless. The sled
I
was,
drove hard. I'm sore.
The
yeah.
hard pack definitely caters to this trip,
Yes.
I think. That
Yep.
thing was
It took off
cooking.
pretty good.
And the nice thing is he was the heaviest rider.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
it helped. It didn't spin as much.
Yep.
No.
How'd the sport handle out there?
Dude, it's got ski push so bad.
Oh, yeah.
So bad. And I even tried to like brakes tap it and then like hunch my body over the front corner and it still did nothing.
Right.
Other than that, it was
How was the suspension?
nothing.
Inexistent?
Rear, you hit that bump coming in.
Oh,
the
that
turn.
was
That
nasty.
corner's so bad.
The sport is not bad, but it's not good. So it's like it finishes mid-pack because it's a mid-pack kind of sled. And then our best candidate to lose the race was Tom. And turns out he lost the race.
This guy said he put bites on this thing. I don't believe it. I couldn't steer this thing. for-
pretty nice rides.
They were used, you know, it's used skis.
It
Smack
might also
my-
have all the
Smack the old shin into the front here. And then you go into that corner.
all the track.
Go into that corner and you just put your foot right here and just lodge her down and you're just hanking over the side.
That one's got the
The
hook.
thing
It's
is, you
got the
were
hooks.
consistent because you never dropped further behind than you were the whole race. You were just staying at the same rate.
Besides that last turn down there in the last lap, I just pushed right through it.
That's what I was doing yesterday. I could not get that turn to save my
Yep.
life.
Couldn't get her. And that's where you lose all the time too, because then you flow down and it's all powder and you just sink.
You'll see on the GoPro footage,
And-
guys, of me almost smoking
I don't know
Mark
if you
too.
can see, there is no track. I mean, there is maybe nibbles on there. So you're basically running a flat track on there.
Yep.
I mean, mine.
Yours isn't probably any much
None of
better,
these
but
have tracks.
Yeah.
But
I'm
Yeah.
sneaking studs in mine next time.
yeah, not a bad,
But
not
no,
a
it
bad
was
for day
good.
two. I mean, it was good.
always fun though. Always
Yeah.
fun.
And the nice thing is I didn't get over aggressive and smoke somebody in the rear.
I almost did it coming into this corner when you were.
Right out, right. The first hole shot.
Yeah.
When you- I
If
know.
I'd had the GoPro, you were right up on me.
I think I was the first one to the sled, but I was the last one out of the hole. 'Cause this thing I just hopped on it and it just goes, "Whoa."
It's been boggier than it was
Oh, yeah.
previous years, which is I put fresh in it. They were black, fouled. I mean, straight fouled. But ever since I tipped it today on its side, it got pissed. So I don't know if it's just pissed off from that or dude. Now as you rode it hard.
The question is,
So close, man. So close.
Didn't ride her hard enough.
The yeah, you didn't ride it hard enough.
I'm just like, what's this?
Hold it wide
thing?
open a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Well, until the next time we do roulette, the snow hopefully will stick around maybe for a
might
week
get
or
a little
two.
more hopefully.
But it was fun.